So guys, right now it's noon, and let's take a quick look at the solar setup that I installed, and let's take a look at what power is being generated right now and the load that's running. You can see that on the PV side we have batteries at 13.9 volts. Output is 230 volts. We have no grid power. The load is 100 watts right now, and we are generating around 150 watts. It's so hot, that's why the voltage has increased. The solar voltage has increased to 40. So see, 40 and 160 watts. So let's check a look at the load, and we'll see. So on the load side, I have this running, and also here. So those two are running. Also we have some phones charging, and the power source Starlink. I got the setup running also. You see. So this is where I normally make and edit all my videos. So the PC is running. So this is a mast inverter. The power is being distributed from here. I have two channels. This is the main breaker, then there is a C10 bulb, and then there is a C20 for the sockets. So that's it. Peace out, guys.